Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make $100 a day with a side hustle. We'll explore actionable steps and proven methods to help you achieve this financial target. Many people are looking for ways to supplement their income, and with the right approach, earning an extra $100 daily is entirely within reach. We'll cover two popular and effective side hustles that offer flexibility and good earning potential, helping you to make the most of your free time and financial aspirations. One excellent way to earn $100 a day is by offering your freelance services. If you have skills in areas like writing, graphic design, or web development, platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients worldwide. Many freelancers successfully charge $50 to $100 per hour for their specialized work. Completing just one or two projects daily can easily help you reach your $100 goal, providing a flexible and rewarding income stream. Another highly accessible side hustle is engaging in delivery or rideshare services. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Uber, and Lyft offer immediate opportunities to earn money using your vehicle. Many drivers report earning $25 to $30 per hour during peak times. By dedicating just 3 to 4 hours of active work, especially during busy periods, you can consistently achieve your goal of $100 a day. This option provides great flexibility and a direct correlation between effort and earnings. To consistently make $100 a day, remember that consistency and dedication are key. Whether you choose freelancing or delivery services, putting in regular effort will yield results. Consider diversifying your income by combining different side hustles to create a more robust financial strategy. Always strive to improve your skills and efficiency, as this will naturally increase your earning potential over time. With a clear plan and persistent action, reaching your daily financial goal is absolutely achievable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.